Alright, what is up guys? We are going to multiply and divide rationals in this video. So multiplying and dividing rationals is literally the same thing as multiplying and dividing any fraction. You just multiply the top and you multiply the bottom. So in this case we have 3 times 1, that's 3, and the bottom we have 4 times 2, which is 8. Now the difference is that with multiplying and dividing rationals, you want to make sure you factor first, because that way you don't really have to FOIL stuff, and then you can see how you can simplify as well. You'll see what I mean. So take a look at this first example. We can factor. Let's go ahead and just factor everything first. So the top, we're good of the first one. The bottom, we can factor that, x minus 1 times x plus 1. And then over here, we have a difference of cubes, so you need to know that for sure. That's x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1, and then this divided by, take the GCF, that's x times x plus 1. So now we can start simplifying things. Well, we have an x over an x here, and we also have x plus 1 over x plus 1. That's all great. So now we just have to write what's left over. We have x squared plus x plus 1 at the top, and then we have x plus 1 times x plus 1 at the bottom. So we write x plus 1 squared at the bottom. And this would be our final answer. So this next one's division. So if y'all remember from maybe dividing fractions, if you have, say, 1/2 and then you divide like 2 over 3, what you do is you might have heard like keep, change, flip before. So you keep the first one, you change the sign, you change the division to multiplication, then you flip the second one. So this will be 3 over 2. Well, we're going to do the same exact thing, except I'm just going to factor everything first. So the top one, I'm just going to have 3x plus 1, and then x minus 1 here. At the bottom, you can factor out an x, so we have 3x plus 1 here. And then we still have division, and let's go ahead and factor some more. So we have x and then x squared plus 1 at the top. And then at the bottom, we can factor out an x, and we'll have x squared minus x plus 1. All right, so let's go ahead and keep, change, flip. So after simplifying, so we can simplify this, and let's go ahead and rewrite. So x minus 1 over x, change the division sign, and we get, x squared minus x plus 1 over x squared plus 1, because these x's, they will simplify. And now we just have to multiply these two together, and we can leave it. You don't actually have to distribute anything. We can just leave it as such. So x minus 1, and then times x squared minus x plus 1, and then this over x times x squared plus 1. And this would be our answer. And that's the bell. So that's going to be it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.